Over 1,000 videos uploaded on YouTube in just 1 year. I've learned a lot of things just doing this. I've discovered a lot of things just doing this. And if you are wondering how to succeed on YouTube, if you are wondering how to whether it's worthy creating a YouTube channel now, if you are wondering to quit your job and do YouTube as a full-time business, well, this is the right video for you. Is it worth creating a YouTube channel? I would say no. I know this may literally go against everything, almost everything what people are saying, how YouTube had changed their life. But I still stand with my answer no. No, because most people start a YouTube channel with the wrong idea. What do I mean by the wrong idea? Most people start a YouTube channel with only care about how to get subscribers. Well, if you have such a mentality, you're gonna leave your YouTube journey with a lot of nightmare. Well, when I started a YouTube channel, I also have such an idea that I should be getting 3 million subscribers in 3 months, 10 million subscribers in 5 months. I know you probably thought getting 1,000 subscribers is easy, but the nature of YouTube is demanding. YouTube need you to create trending videos, controversial videos, um, catchy thumbnail, controversial title, and the other one is relying on the YouTube algorithm to push your video. Trust me, it takes you one push to blow up your channel. It takes you one push to move from 0 subscribers to 10,000 subscribers. But that push is random. There are many content creators out there letting you know it is easier to get your 1,000 subscribers. Well, it's true, but to ask how you get it is another story. You probably may ask, then if how will I get a successful channel if I had no subscribers? I know many emphasis are kept on subscribers because when you started a YouTube channel, you always want to prove to yourself and those people around you that this is the right choice. And by so doing, you focus more on subscribers, which I think is a good point or the wrong choice. The best and successful channel is the one that makes you more money or revenue that can keep you or that you can make as a full-time job. In order to get this point where your YouTube channel will provide you more revenue or money, you need to make sure that you focus on your packaging. What do I mean by packaging? Packaging here means, your title, your thumbnail, your description. You need to focus on those areas. Every successful YouTuber can boast of their position because of their thumbnails, because of their title, because of their description. You know, if you get the best title, you get a high rate of people clicking to your video to watch. And if you get the best of thumbnail, thumbnail perform a very good role when it comes to attracting people to watch your videos. Because if your thumbnail is catchy, it catches more people attention and they eventually goes to watch your video. Many may watch your title, which is catchy, look at your thumbnail, which is very good, but what about your description? You have to give a perfect description concerning what the video is, and your description needs to be convincing. It needs to be something that can convince a person to go in to watch your video. And with all these things, the person can go through all this time. But believe me, if the video the person is coming to watch is not catchy or it doesn't provide value, if the video the person is coming to watch doesn't provide value, the person not going to stay on the video. And the algorithm of YouTube is when you get someone to stay on your video for a long time, YouTube it tells YouTube that this video is good and they push it up. So if your video does not provide value but have the best of title, have the best of description, have the best of thumbnail, the person is going to stay there for only a short period of time and the person is going to leave. Believe me, if this person leaves, the person may not even feel like watching your videos again. So, uploading videos, over 1,000 videos in just 1 year, one of the experience or the honest truth I need to tell you is you need to focus on your value, the value of your video. If the video is short but it has value, it's good. If it is long and it doesn't have value, you just creating a rubbish. Believe me, that is the hardest truth. And one other thing I will encourage you to work harder on is your CTA. Your CTA here means you need to make sure that you call your viewers to action. What do I mean by to action? By telling them at the end of the video, after providing the value, you let them know at the end of the video to make sure they subscribe, they like, and share. And believe me, this is what's going to push your channel up, or this is what's going to blow your video up. And if the video blows up, that's why you're going to get more of subscribers, more of likes, and that's how your YouTube journey begins. Yeah, if you create a video with a value, and if tells someone to subscribe, the person will definitely subscribe. Or you tell the person to like, the person will definitely like. If you think that this video is very helpful, I just want you to leave a like, subscribe to be part of this awesome family, hit on the notification bell, select all, so that anytime I drop an awesome video like this, you get notified. See you in the next episode. Peace out, man.